It is your girl Lumkah Fabulous, Slender Lumkah Fabulas, Ambo, your Gedla, I am the Zulu bass queen, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.
Ngena sanbonan awgebo sesingenile ke thina abaka boom boom room on Radio DR. It is your girl Slender Lumkah Fabulas. La lela. It is a fabulous lady, Lumkah Fabulous, and of course, namhlanje give pat to Mr. CEO. He goes by the name of Saladimba, aka Easter Yellow.
I'm COO.
COO or CEO. What's the difference?
Chief Operating Officer.
Issue. Guys, flex January.
I just said I'm not an executive. I'm a para.
Ooh,
How is that sophisticated para.
Iparal gezayo.
That was sophisticated.
Iparal cycling. How's the cycling? How's the cycling going?
It's going great. I did like 40 minutes this morning.
40 minutes from where to where?
I was just doing around and round, like 16 Ks.
That's nice.
Much,
nothing much, like 16K is nothing much.
Tomorrow we'll do like a young 2 hours in Yana.
Sure.
35 Ks in Yana.
I'll hold you up for it.
Back.
I'll hold you up for it.
What? You must come cycling with me.
No, what? I don't have time.
It's fun, when the wind is going through your hair.
I'm busy with something. I'm cooking something in studio.
What's that dance? Don't dance, so you don't even know.
Anyway, guys, as kuluming in Davos Slender stanzayo, it is time for the business, and I'm Shanja on the business. I've got an article for Ama Artist. So basically, last week I did speak to you guys about the 5 essential tools of being an artist, and I think like a lot of artists didn't know half of the stuff that I was talking on that segment. If you didn't get it, please, it's episode 10. You can go on the website. It's www.radiodr.co.za/boom boom room. Episodes lapo. If you want just to go to recap this whole time as an artist, all these topics will help you and they will assist you accordingly. Article engithole online, because I'm always online researching stuff about artists, what needs to happen to our artists for us in order to make imali. And I've got this article which was released on November the 5th last year in 2019, and it says basically it's just giving us more information how to get paid royalties owed to you by South Africa. So what is happening now is this article is basically saying you may have heard that SABC is finally starting to pay back the 250 million in royalties owed to a musician. So, like most of the people, they want to release music, but what is the end goal? Basically, the end goal from musical wenzayo is for you to make money, and our value mali. You need to follow procedure. You need to follow rules of how to get royalties as an artist. So this
from everywhere.
Yes, people don't even know to perform at events and clubs and all these places. You get royalties for that, and I mean, there's people like OJR. They're not even doing anything now. They're not dropping any singles now. But in network, is worth like $101 million. So this means good music can actually make you a lot of money as an artist. So if you are a musician, I'm confident that by the end of this article, you will know a little bit more about the different royalty collection agencies that you just need to basically look into. You will learn what they do and what you need to do to get what is owed to you as a musician. So first off, you need to be an active musician. So how are you an active musician? So kuluma ngakho lokho, and then you definitely qualify for royalty payments. This is how you qualify. 1, you have to have music playing on radio or TV. And then you're gonna get money from that. Your music needs to play on radio or TV. People need to hear and see the music.
But my boys can pay me like 10 rand every time they hear the song.
How?
And guys, contract. I said contracts last week.
Yes, I did say contracts. Sasa kuluma more about contracts. So the next step is you have music playing if you have music playing in other commercial spaces, like if your music is playing in restaurants or shops or music shops, or even jukebox. Jukebox in Dalalanjan. like how old a jukebox is.
Yes.
So masifaka u2 rand laphayana bese siyakhetha sithi sithi Lumkah Fabulous siyabangena idlale le ngoma.
I was shocked to see this jukebox distribution.
Yes, imagine.
There's still jukebox out there in some random tavern.
Exactly.
Be making your rands.
You are making your rands, and you also have to. You are performing your own music at events or concerts that can also give you royalties. So if you can like performing at like we're at Durban July, so there is stuff like Boomtown and all these things. Those are concerts and those are events. So music kwakho, as long as where people can actually see you and watch you perform, you get money from that. I don't think people know that. And other people have recorded or performed songs that you've written. So if we producer, so this is what happens. If you're a producer and I produce a song for you and you buy my beats, but I still own the rights, as a producer I will get paid for that.
Where can people find out information about this?
So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to basically link. You need to take my number as a listener, as an artist. Take my number, speak to me on WhatsApp, ungasabi, or email me. You can WhatsApp this number 078-729-1099. That is my WhatsApp number, and I will forward you the link. Lalela link iphethe yonke into it. It even has another link that will lead you to basically go and register your RISA. We ask good in leyo sil.
Recording industry of South Africa.
So in recording industry of South Africa, guys, it actually gives you your own ISRC code, which is a code that the radio stations and streaming platforms use to track the amount of times that your song has been played. So if you don't have that code, my nigga, how are we gonna track your music on iTunes? How are we gonna track your music on Tidal?
What does ISRC stand for, Lumkah?
What does?
ISRC stand for?
RISE.
No,
What?
What is it?
It is RISA.
Yeah, but what's the code? What's the code called?
What? The ISRC code.
What's that stand for? Exactly. I got that too.
Yes.
International Standard on Recording Code.
International?
Exactly. International Standard Recording Code. That's
why
why I'm the producer. And
that's why you're the producer. Nazaga. Guys, this article has every single thing that you need as an artist. It even has like a button where you can register to become a member online. So you don't have to go to the actual offices. If you don't know where my office Samro is, Samro can also give you a little bit more information. You can go to the Playhouse. They are inside the Playhouse. Those are the offices I say Samro. Playhouse is Pagati opposite the workshop. So
they're no longer at Bat Center. So they're no longer at Bat Center.
No. They moved from Bat Center long ago. I think they've been there for like maybe 3 or 4 years at the Playhouse. I think also that's a place where I feel like it works also, because the Playhouse is a place where a lot of artists basically come to. Yes, just ukuthi ngibone ukuthi bakhona abawani kulana e Playhouse. Anyway, guys, guys, sesikhulumile enough on the business. I guess you're straight to the music.
It is your girl Lumkah Fabulous, Slender Lumkah Fabulas, I am the Zulu bass queen, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.
And downs, I've seen a lot of shit. Give one good and push on in life. But when I'm with you, baby, I can do no wrong. Thinking about your love is like my favorite song. We done rumbled in the jungle with gorillas. Remember when the Mo and them niggas was talking reckless. We ran up on them quick and told them, dollar what you must. And in a moment, I knew that you don't want to trust. Ride or die. I'm feeling for more. But I'm a savage just trying to get with the program. What could be magic, just promise to never vanish. And if it's time, I'll do my best to give you everything. And if you bite it, I might even try this wedding thing. But I ain't rushing with chillin', gelatos would be nice. I'll be outside in a bitty, baby, don't keep me waiting. Come take a ride with me. I can take you anywhere you wanna be. Smile a little, yeah. You ain't even gotta worry, cause we up now. malanga be uthando livutha be livutha 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 malanga be.
I need a ride or die. Man, not gon' tell no lie. Man, not gonna know me long time. Me not sharing, you know you're all mine.
You said you can't mess with a bitch like me. I'm trying to settle down while you trying to be free. You stress me, why when I'm so crazy? You sketchy, don't you know you really need me? You don't come home till the late night. What you doing till the daylight? What direction your face in your headlight? And who this bitch on your page like? You say that you love me but me no trust. Walk on your door in that nightclubs. Down here all the rumors say they bother us. Young tear me a shooter, I'ma murder them.
Come take a ride, man. I can take you anywhere you wanna be. Smile a little, yeah. You ain't even gotta worry cause we up now. Uthando livutha be livutha malanga be 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 uthando livutha be livutha malanga be.
then you could chele. Show me Ari Sente. Show me Ari Sente. Ari Sente. Show me Ari Sente. Ari Sente.
You're now tuned in to radiotr.co.za.
Baba sizana babantwana bakho sasibaqedile ngendo sacindezela nezinja zami baphela abantu we baba sizana babantwana bakho sasibaqedile ngendo sacindezela nezinja zami baphela abantu we 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 baphela abantu we
DJ must get us, I'm telling you. I told my boss that I'm ready though. I am the one, just let it go. I'm hella smooth, that telly flow. She didn't love me, now she want me. I do not fuck with her anymore. I don't give a damn, she already know. I'm getting dope and killing shows. You wanna show this a cheleten? I'll beg and jet, skims pelele, just in all black, call me mkelele. Beles genelele, sipumelele. I've been sitting and watching niggas ball. And now the same niggas is hoping I fall. They hate it even when I had nothing at all. I can fuck your plans up, don't make me make that one call. No.
Kapela boy, I'm a protector back cutting out shine. So pera man, yeah, I'm about to roll like a sand. Kapel, Nyakjet, Mamel, Kuzeg, Mangen, Kavel, Tuel, don't ever forget. She's a creamy teaser. There's bread in my circle, pizza. I'm full of my meat, I'm full of my tea. Equally, and Janeki pizza. Baba says I never banned on the back. Suspect with killing and do. Second there's a lanes in Jazam. What will I want to wait? Baba says I never banned on the back. Suspect with killing and do. Second there's a lanes in Jazam. What will I want to wait? 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 What will I want to wait?
What's it for Samantha? Losing niggas on my time. Need to mean all that's in just on. So go pella back to it. They be hating like I didn't tell them before. I'm sorry, ain't gonna stop. They don't want me at the top. Get used to me mad, cause I'ma be out here for long. Barrek it dog, I'ma keep on. They know the 18 will never go wrong. We always on top, some Louis Vuitton. I'ma kick you till the day that I ball. Basala basol, like they never doubted before. But they men about the Hong Kong. Bakale babon ale bon. Amen to tokele di tapelo teta ball.
You feeling yourself when I'm not around. Your girl is with me if she not around. I wouldn't want you to see it though. I got my kids dipping in the mouth. Yeah, it's smooth. You ain't doing nothing to me. I got a gang that like shooting. Click, clack, brack, pew, pew. Man, I don't think you niggas get the picture. Switch on your mobile data, ski me. I don't think you niggas get the filters. Make up your mind. Switch on your photo, where this ski me, bo? It's about the figures, yeah, the dope. It's about us winners, nothing more. Couple of things that I want you to know. Don't you be talking when I'm on the phone. Baba says I never banned on the back. Suspect with killing and do. Second there's a lanes in Jazam. What will I want to wait? Baba says I never banned on the back. Suspect with killing and do. Second there's a lanes in Jazam. What will I want to wait? 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 I got famous off for 8 lines. Came back with hard bars like I did jail time. Now some of these rappers asking me for membership, but these rappers gossip, I don't tell them shit. Tell her tuba for the hell of it. I'm blow moolah, got the hang of it. All they see is us, Bonafella. They bump the cheese up, mozzarella. Tech now we ya, humble bachela. One by one, yeah, bazopela. Oh no, this ain't Illuminati. This is push up on, get the newest body. This is catch a body with a first body. Yeah, you trash. They ain't good music like Kid Cudi.
Chico batetelele la bashana, my side is a pill. You can call me Marawa. No spoo yakina, I got the more fire. I'm bringing the flavor like Mo with no Raja. The summer is mine. You can call me Zahara. Like no, nigga, don't call me Zahara. Everybody know Kiskima Lepara. I got the patience. I'm kinda like Bara. They ride me like a Navara. Now I be shopping in Zara. I'm in a dream team. Buza no kuli mechana. I'm making headlines. Now you can call me a baba, ya baba lomfana my team is so up, are you winning libala like no baba?
Baba says I never banned on the back. Suspect with killing and do. Second there's a lanes in Jazam. What will I want to wait? Baba says I never banned on the back. Suspect with killing and do. Second there's a lanes in Jazam. What will I want to wait? 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 What will I want to
Beautiful music by Miss Prue featuring ambitious record artist Betty Ameni. And before that, we had Kabza Dasmo with Umapori Sabari Chomi Ari Young Sensin, Ari Young Sensin, Ari Young Sensin. And opening up that triple play was Stella Makalita featuring Nadia Nakai with Utando. It's time to go to a producer's corner. Silo.
Yes.
Grand boy.
When am I never good, Lumkah?
Right, boy. Isikhathi seproducers khona ulindele namhlanje.
Linda Pizza Fire.
Linda Pizza Fire. Sukhohliwe ukuthi the show is now open for all genres. Kusho bathi ngidlala ama beats.
Oh, I mean, you can play songs. Wow.
Yes, obviously.
Whatever.
Phela maningi ama-producer fits. Khona hip-hop, khona maningi ama-producer. And sizonilethela bona bonke, guys, right here on the Boom Boom Room on Radio DR. So namhlanje siniphathele a guy called uLongstar M. He is a music producer and uhlala kwaNdengezi. kwaNdengezi. Sibaphethe yonke indawo sile, sibaphethe yonke indawo. He's been producing since 2008 and he has worked with the wonders of DJ Wanda kanye no Faye. So namhlanje kahle kahle siniphathele house music. I guess ngene kuyo ke producer's corner.
Love yourself, have fun, and everything will fall into lane. You the master of your actions. You must choose to love yourself. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. You the king, you the queen. Muster a few actions, always think positive. Don't ever mind instructions, stay fly, little niggas. Yeah, you the man, little nigga. Yeah, just don't ever mind them girls. They love you if you're winning, always but the fake love. Don't think that I don't see it, I'm just all about my business. Yeah, thinking that I'ma vanish, I can make super clean, God. I'm doing okay, I'm on my way. Stayed in my lane, picked up the pace. I'm shining brighter than the moon. My soul feels brand new. I pray to the Lord and He answered, of course. Whoever thought you could be so cruel? I had no clue. Now I don't give a fuck about you. No, you showed yourself and I'll do the same thing to you. My heart got cold and I will never give it to you. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Tell who got you in the end. Who gon' protect you in your bed? Who gon' hold you down forever? Who gon' take the pain away? Who gon' be with you in your grave? Is it money? Is it your pay? Love yourself no other ways. If you don't, you might go astray. All I wanna see is purple rain. Mom is proud, I'm blessed, I guess. No infants, but I love her to death. Just almost days, I love you. Kinda love babe, but I guess it's cool. Love is a game and a game of fools. Well, I'm so stupid because I love myself. So choose who tries, so I trust myself. Niggas lie, bitches fake, but I still love because I love myself. Way too much to hate your ass. You showed yourself and I respect that. Circle too tight, then I feel good belt. It's a cold war, then I make it melt. Show no hate, just live like that. Learn to love yourself. Love yourself, have fun, and everything will fall into lane. You the master of your actions. You must choose to love yourself. Love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself. Learn to love yourself. If they hate you, love yourself. Always love yourself, yeah.
wona bafethu lapho sibhekike lona sibhekana inkabi zonke siphelele lana and radio DR.co.za.
sounds of DJ Wanda featuring Faye, Betty One Day, and Emandulo featuring Faye. Both songs were produced by Ulung Star, guys.
Isn't that song on radio?
It is on radio. It is on radio DR.
I was gonna say that. You took it from me.
Yes, it is on radio DR. Don't forget to subscribe Lapayana on our channel on YouTube. It is Deeply Rooted DBN. Also follow your girl Pelanga Landela at Lumkah Fabulous LUMKAAH Fabulous with Zulu FABULAS. It is time to go to Ijus. And namhlanje on the juice we are talking about Deco Barbara Jessica Wedi.
Who the hell is that?
Deco Barbara Jessica Wedi was born on the 13th of September 1992 and she is professionally known as Rouge. Rouge.
Yeah, shout out Rouge.
Shout out to you, girl. We see you.
Yeah,
we see you.
I interviewed her on Deep Access.
How is she? I love her.
She's nice,
oh my god.
Drink, so.
I love her. Like, she's such a hustler. Like, I love everything. She's got proper visuals. She's doing the things, and she is an author and a television presenter. Her debut album, The New Era Sessions, was accompanied by a short film where she received a South African Film and Television Award. What's all a award to get for best micro budget film. So I see the hustle and I love that hustle, man. She's actually one of my favorites in the game. When I see Lubayaki favorites.
Favorite what?
Favorite female rapper.
Oh, I'm currently not listening to rap.
Oh, damn, son. Who are you listening to? Or what are you listening to?
You know, the Caucasian stuff.
True. Hey,
don't say shoe. There's nothing superior about Caucasian music. I'm just like weird.
Awuthole license ke sokwazi ukudlala kwishow.
Yeah, soon.
Sonke siyathanda uyilalela. Sonke siyathanda uyilalela iCaucasian ukuthi asazi ukuthi uyitholaphi. So sicela ukuyithola ku Radio DR. How much do you think net worth ka Rouge is?
Can be mid.
Guys, who comes up with these things or who writes these things. But according to Wikipedia, Forbes, IMDb, various online resources, famous rapper Rouge has net worth of 101 million at the age of 30. Isn't that more than
AKA's net worth?
It is more than all these niggas' net worth.
Is she from a rich family?
Well, I don't know. Both her parents are Congolese.
No, not to say that. I'm just trying to make sense. Maybe she's got like a mining company. It can't be from the music.
Yeah, well, we don't know. I'll look into it because I love her and I want to know what she's doing right.
I need to start double checking your stats.
I'm a stats. I got Wikipedia, I got Forbes, I got IMDb. I'm not just giving you numbers.
You need to check the references.
Like, minangzo kongane artist when you check my reference, bro. Guys, I can Nancy E back to back. Got Miss Rouge.
Back to back.
Cash flow streaming down like my water. Tryna get bongo, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down because I'm just tryna get paid. Bongo, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like I'm just tryna get paid. Bongo, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my water. I don't wanna be broke. I don't wanna be broke when I fly first class, not coach, and I wanna eat lobster. Drink so rich when I piss, gotta sit up in a posture. Oh, I ain't got a ballerina flow. I'm trying to keep you on your toes, and I wanna get paid. Man, I wanna get paid. Money running through my mind all day. You can take a break, no way. Money never sleeps, so I gotta push past. Tryna be a boss, can you see my briefcase? Tryna make a list, but you tell me no space. Okay, I get it. You don't wanna give me a break. I guess I gotta start with the brokest, so I can't eat with the grace. Head on track, like I ain't got a wings. My rap is not local, I'm overseas. Tryna be a mogul and get the G's. You try to tell me I can only get it on my knees. I be like, hold up, wait a minute, that's some type of boo. Poo poo, who you? I'm that voodoo. Make your man pee go boom boom. Tryna get bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my water. Tryna get bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down because I'm just tryna get paid. Bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my. I'm just tryna get paid. Bunga, saga, bunga, saga.
Yeah. Skanda queen, reign supreme, and I'm about that Blanco money. That when I step up in that room, you better focus money. And if you standing in my way, I'll have to take your money. That Muzi, please slow down because the rest ain't coping money. Leave your hopeless money, joking, honey. I have cried and prayed for this. Man, I've worked night and day for this. I put in so much time that it's only right that I get paid for this. Man, I give you my word, I'll be the best that you have ever heard. I'm gonna show you that ghostwriter shit that you talking on Twitter. It's just so absurd. Tired of y'all talking shit. Sick of you saying that I ain't legit. I'll be like Kanye and get my money right and make sure that y'all haters feeling this shit. And fuck your predictions. Wonder you see this was scripted. Me and my Rouge got that game on our backs, and yeah, we call your hit crucifixion.
Bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my water. Tryna get bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down because I'm just tryna get paid. Bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my. I'm just tryna get paid. Bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my water.
Year of the paper, don't fuck with my paper. I'll be a back money maker, cat and mouse money chaser. It's the year of the paper, don't fuck with my paper. I'll be a back money maker, cat and mouse money chaser.
Heavy bars don't take lightly. You come correct like a tick Nike. See the labels trying to sign me, but they're telling me to use what I got behind me. I'm not phased if you wanna fight me for a low, for a crumb, let a nigga try me. Deste pa gente, pa yung gamin. J5 on ami, come ton if I mean. Woo, this is the spot that I came for. Coming to rep, but respect is the main goal. Stay for the top, please stay in your lane though. Down for the guap face placed on the billboards. Rap suited up like Tom Ford. Yo, I'm never ready like it's time for it. Pay me in euros like bonjour. Niggas want me back like an encore. I get it. I know you've been waiting. My absence deceiving. These girls think they made it. They think they're the greatest. They think they're the baddest. You think this is dope? This is practice. No publishing, no management, but still rock it. Why? Cause I'm getting bucker than that brand in your pocket. Tryna get bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my water. Tryna get bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down because I'm just tryna get paid. Bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my. I'm just tryna get paid. Bunga, saga, bunga, saga. Want my cash flow streaming down like my water. Yeah. Oh, nah. Okay. I'm a CEO. You don't know it, yo. Mama CEO. You don't know it. Tell him I'm a CEO. You don't know it. You's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Nobody knows. Cause you do it. Dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball.
Ngathi mbona ngalomfana ngathi driver fruit pa ngathi mbona lalomfana ngathi driver fruit pa mbona ngalomfana ngathi driver fruit pa fruit.
Yeah, no school, graduated to the top floor. We used to look up for the competition, but got tired of waiting, so we let it go. Quit begging for a cat fight and wasting my verses on so-and-so. 16, bringing nice change, but to this game, just an NGO. Cause I got rules, you got funds, you got clothes, I got brands, that's a pun. You got polo, post it on your gram. Tuition money, spending all that con. Buying bottles, nigga, let it flow. Young and living up that lifestyle. I still got money to blow. I'm a CEO. You don't know it, yo. Mama CEO. You don't know it, tell him I'm a CEO. You don't know it, you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Nobody know. 'Cause you do it dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball.
Ngathi mbona ngalomfana ngathi driver frupa ngathi mbona lalomfana ngathi driver frupa mbona ngalomfana ngathi driver frupa.
On my knees in the morning, taking the luck 'cause I'm winning, yeah. R.I.P. my opponent, 'cause they never work competition, yeah. Take a beat, you don't know me. Driving the cup like it's stolen, yeah. Fetch the keys, get the homies, 'cause you ride a shot, 'cause I got bros, you got funds, you got clothes, I got brands, that's a pun. You got polo, post it on your gram. Tuition money, spending all that con. Buying bottles, nigga, let it flow. Young and living up that lifestyle. I still got money to blow. I'm a CEO. You don't know it, yo. Mama CEO. You don't know it, tell him I'm a CEO. You don't know it, you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Nobody know. 'Cause you do it dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball.
Ngathi mbona ngalomfana ngathi driver frupa ngathi mbona lalomfana ngathi driver frupa mbona ngalomfana ngathi driver frupa.
Fed up my job, out here messing with a don't need my dog. Look at the boy out here running the sun. Everything we touch and turning the color. Squeaky, out of the gutter. Don't you be testing, you stoop on my butt. Hey, you just stoop on my butt. How you flexing when you're only a number? Me and Rouge, we on the bigger things. We rockin' bigger rings. While you're up in your feelings, we up in the businesses. On the internet, out here making a living kid. Making sure that you're feeling it. Busy shooting the film it. With all of these moves, I've been feeling like Billie Jean.
I'm a CEO. You don't know it, yo. Mama CEO. You don't know it, tell him I'm a CEO. You don't know it, you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball. What you do? Nobody know. 'Cause you do it dollar. But you's a bad boy in that ball.
Yo, it's your boy Rob, and you're listening to Radio DR.Koza. Easy.
Oh God. She back. Okay. Look. Damn, we getting popular. Call me Mrs. Popular. I know you cannot sit with us, then you wouldn't fuck with us. You are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Like, damn, we getting popular. Call me Mrs. Popular. I know you cannot sit with us, then you wouldn't fuck with us. You are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Now we poppin'. Pop, damn it, now we poppin'. Ooh. We poppin'. See, but you are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Now we poppin'. Pop, damn it, now we poppin'. Ooh, say now we poppin'. See, but you are too cool for the new school kid. They call me bro. Who would I guess? Bonjour, Kunjon. Said I'll be back in due time. My God, I just signed. Fans are stressed, but I'll be fine. Sun in your face all day like I'm a greaser. Doing too much, don't touch, keep on my bigger. Radal in the jaw, like 1 after 3. Never seen this before. Baby, we've been waiting. These girls might take your place and I can take a vacay on vacation. Find my spot still vacant. Like, what? Worry about my glow, I bet you get your life. Beauty, brains, and money, I'm a blessed type. Work gon' need a favor, I'm a blessed type. Rumor has it, who just coming back, you got that fucking right. Now we getting popular. Call me Mrs. Popular. I know you cannot sit with us, then you wouldn't fuck with us. You are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Now we poppin'. Pop, damn it, now we poppin'. Ooh, you are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Now we poppin'. Pop, 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 damn it, now we poppin'. Ooh, say now we poppin'. See, but you are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess?
I grew up in the city, then I blew up in the city. Your favorite rapper can't come to my hood cause it's lit. Everybody's struggling, but we don't need your pity. Whatever it is, my niggas with it. They was sleeping on me, did it with no OG. I don't think you know me, don't ever bro me. Young nigga poppin', might just do some shopping. Trap ain't stopping, LV copy.
Slept on like accommodation. Kill the second standing ovation. There's a new kid roaming down the block. Get them in your corner, cause they about to take a spot. It's a new, slept on like accommodation. Kill the second standing ovation. There's a new kid roaming down the block. Get them in your corner, cause they about to take a spot. It's a new, now we getting popular. Call me Mrs. Popular. I know you cannot sit with us, then you wouldn't fuck with us. You are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Like that we getting popular. Call me Mrs. Popular. I know you cannot sit with us, then you wouldn't fuck with us. You are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Now we poppin'. Pop, 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 damn it, now we poppin'. Ooh, say now we poppin'. See, but you are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? Now we poppin'. Pop, 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 damn it, now we poppin'. Ooh, say now we poppin'. See, but you are too cool for the new school kid. Who would I guess? My
Beautiful sounds of Uruji featuring MT with Popular, and before that we had Idololo, and opening up that back to back to back to back uthosilangi to back to back to back to back ngoba ingoma ziningi.
There's 3 songs.
It is 3 songs.
You gotta say it back 3 times. Though.
Okay, yeah. And opening up that back to back to back was Imbongo Zaka by Uruj featuring Mosley. So right about now, ladies and gentlemen, ever before on the show.
A battalion.
I've got about, give or take, maybe like 10, 15 niggas.
We got an army.
Like, what the hell is going on?
We got an army.
Ngiphethe uhlanya on the show, ladies and gentlemen. Namhlanje ngiphethe uKick. Uvela ngilethela amadoda ayinkulungwane. Angiyazi lento. Miss Kiki, welcome to the Boom Boom Room on Radio DR.
Hey baby.
What's up?
What's up?
Usahlanya namanje.
I'm so sorry, baby. Forgive me, guys. Please forgive me. I did not expect this.
Olisa kusilo. Hayi kimi.
Please forgive me.
She brought an army into my house.
Like, wow.
Mr. Man, please.
Like, but I feel safe, strangely enough. I feel like anybody would come in,
yes.
I'll be alright.
But
yeah.
I feel like this place was like home. So I was like, you know what, let me just invite, quite a few guys.
I don't own the building. I have to own the building.
I know, but when you said the boom room, I was like,
one day is one day.
One day, so only boom boom.
True.
So only building.
So
you know.
So I'll make sure every time he comes to the studio, there's a guest list.
Sure.
Your plus will just grow.
Okay, go figure on a guest list plus 50.
Come on, guys.
To Radio DR.
We don't want people off the street just coming in. We want real niggas only.
Okay.
I'm a top notch. Siyanamukela guys on Radio DR. Anfuna ukukhuluma. Say something. Showcase, ladies and gentlemen, on the Truth or Dare today, we do have a beautiful lady, a colorful lady, a soul of Lalela. She just serenades me because she's got a heart of gold. Miss Kiki, welcome to the Boom Boom Room on Radio DR, girl.
Thank you very much, girl.
Tell us. Let's paint a picture.
Okay, all right.
For somebody that doesn't know who Miss Kiki is.
Well, first thing first.
Yes.
I am a female rapper.
Ashu.
Yes.
What's the difference between a female rapper and a rapper?
Well, you have to lazima utofautishe, between a male and a female,
Of course.
So nikasema rapper, they won't understand, but if you say female, because it's about time now, darling. It's about time people it's about time female. We need to. I'm tired. I'm sorry, but I have to be more specific, like female.
Okay.
Yes.
A singer.
Tell us.
A singer. I'm a singer. I am a model.
Yes.
I am also an exotic dancer.
Hey.
So now here's
Exotic.
the thing. Here's the thing on that exotic dancer.
Okay.
They get it confused of, you know, those ladies that are on the pole and
Yes,
whatnot?
the strippers.
Yeah.
We can't say strippers on the show.
You can't say that. So because I never done that. Like I got so much respect for them. But when
Okay.
someone compare that to saying I'm exotic dancer, it's
To
kind
what
of-
you do.
Yeah, it's like, yo, but it's cool, it's fine, you know. And I'm also a humanitarian worker. Like I had my remember albino campaign.
Yes.
Beginning of my journey.
Yes,
And
we're
then-
gonna talk about that.
you know, but overall, like I am a piece of art.
Ish,
Yes.
piece of art.
Art.
Guys, you should
Uh-huh.
actually Silo is gonna yo guys, I don't know what must happen with this girl. She's got green hair, yellow hair. I mean, I'm colorful, but I don't take it that far.
I do.
I don't take it that far.
Take
girl.
Lumkah to the toilets.
You put me to the fucking shame.
Like I need to go all out or nothing, because there's so many beautiful women out there.
Showcase.
They come up with their own different unique style and
Yes,
shit.
yes.
And I mean, look at you. But then again, you know, you need
You're
to
like,
be
yo,
you. Like I never thought
nice.
of that. If I did, I would look at. But you know, you get what I'm trying
It's
to.
very important to be yourself.
Thank you.
And I'm glad that you are yourself. I love that about you, the authenticity, like the I want to do it. That's the kind of Kiki that everybody knows. Tell me more about your tour. You had a tour like I think 2 years ago where you just left Durban for like a while, dude. You left, dude.
I am so sorry. I need to apologize because when I left, I had no idea what I was doing, girl.
Wahamba again.
Like I find myself selling everything that I have. The only thing that I left was my car,
Yes.
because I know this car will help me when I'm stuck.
Of course.
Down that side. Picture this. I was born there, but I was raised here.
Where's
This is
that? For people that don't know,
I
where
was
are
born
you
in
from?
Tanzania, but I was raised in South Africa. I mean, I was born in Tanzania, but I was raised in South Africa, Durban.
A
right?
rapper, female rapper,
For
all
the
the way
first
from
time.
Tanzania, guys. Ish, boom,
Yeah.
boom, room.
You
Boom,
see?
boom, room.
Dar es Salaam, actually, the city called Dar es Salaam. I
the
am.
capital, yeah?
No, that's not the capital.
What's the capital?
I think Dodoma. I'm not too sure.
Oh,
but
the
I know.
famous city is Dar es Salaam.
Yes.
It's the Joburg of.
Yeah.
There were bad bitches there.
Yeah, we also got Zanzibar too, you know, the island and shit. You know, like, yeah. I was there, girl, exactly on the picture, you know, and it was a good feeling. But then again, what was missing there was a family. Because my family,
It's
friends
down in
are
Durban.
here, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? So I felt lonely. I felt lost, but I didn't want to give up because
course.
I've sacrificed. Even you, like, girl,
When
when
are
are
you
you
coming
coming?
back?
And I'm like, oh, wait. I just a little bit.
I was so mad.
I attack every single radio station and every TV station. Kasolo, 2 stations that they were like sort of like they don't understand who, you know, like, you know, they
And
were
this
like,
this time you were
yeah.
pushing what? Wana nuna, wana nuna,
Yeah.
wana
Yeah,
wana
I had to.
yeah.
So you went to them and they didn't understand your sound.
No, they told me that you need to go back to where you're from.
Shoo.
Yeah, but you know what's gonna happen. You're gonna
I
blow
didn't-
up and then they're gonna want you back.
You know what I mean? And that's exactly what's going to happen.
Yeah, but it's like I guess it's a general African.
It is.
African
know,
thing.
It's a thing.
Yeah.
Go
Then
pick
they're
it
gonna
up.
start
They
shaming you.
really love you.
Yeah, they're gonna start saying Kiki from Tanzania when
then
all this
again,
time she's from Durban.
No, dude.
Like,
But then again,
do you know she's from Tanzania?
Naongea actually Kiswahili. You know, they call me the Swahili queen, but
I
didn't try that name, you know. Like
No.
there's so many kikis. By the way, speaking about, but there's so many kikis out there.
Yeah.
But you know, girl,
You're
to
right.
you. But then
Kiki,
again, when you
do
hear
you
Swahili,
love me?
are
Are
you
you
right?
ready?
Drake was talking about me.
Wait, my daughter, I don't even want to get into that.
Okay,
But,
Kiki,
yeah.
tell us, okay, what are you currently busy with at the moment? Is
So-
there an EP out, a mixtape? What's going on, girl?
Girl, for the past 2 years, you know, the ups and downs.
Hey, the ups and downs, my friend.
The left, the right.
Eish.
Now I wanna, you know, I was like, girl, listen. Girl, you understand how the business works,
Of
right?
course.
But now you need to understand how to make the money
Yes.
That's exactly what you're talking. That's exactly I am all about right
You
now.
about the mullah, girl.
I am sorry.
Can't be doing shit for free.
So I released a track called We Out.
We out.
We out.
Nazak.
We out. I'm a light baby.
When did you release that?
I released that last year. Yeah, somewhere last year.
End of the year.
Yeah,
December-ish.
Yeah, I don't remember. You know when you have so many shit, managing yourself.
Dude, you're doing all the shit by yourself.
Me. No, there's no ABC. No. All me, and I'm so proud of that.
Yes, girl.
So when I release something, I know, like, somewhere somehow because of my posting, I'm very social.
Yeah,
they will
you are
remind
a
me
social
that, yo,
person.
dude, you've been pushing this for a year,
For
so
sure.
you need to, you know what I mean? Then from there, I decided to release Type of Shit.
Type of shit. That's what we're gonna play next, ladies and gentlemen. Where can people get a hold of you, my sister? Bazoibona play exotic dancing and all these other things that you do.
Well, my all my social media, they have one name, which is Miss KK Official.
Sure.
Miss KK
Official. She said it nice and slow, ladies and gentlemen. That was your girl, Miss Kiki Official. And that was the Truth or Dare segment, ladies and gentlemen. Konamanja, let us play her song, Type of Shit.
Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.
Hey yo. My life is real as fuck, no lie. My dreams, my reality, who you tell me otherwise? I left my family and friends, coming to Josie to make some change. Now that's some fucking real shit right there. Word up, shit. Unazingua na kutema mwepesi, najambisha wewe na muzio kwa resi. Kwenda jela kwangu mimi sio kesi. Acha longo siyo kanipa kesi. Acha longo siyo kanipa kesi. Acha longo siyo kanipa kesi. I see a star when I see you. Now no progress in your eyes when I look at you. Shine, little star, ooh. Shine, motherfucker, ooh. I ain't no Nikki, I ain't no party, I'm kicking na kipaji. Excuse me, sir, iga malami naitwa Kiki. Najua bado niko lel, a bit freaky. My V so tight, hapo, mimi sifichi. 3 days labor pain, that's some real shit. My V bado is still the same. That's some real shit, bado niko kwenye game. That's some real shit, that's some real shit. That's some real shit, 3 days labor pain. That's some real shit, my that's some real shit, bado niko kwenye game. That's some real shit, that's some real shit. That's your merch, I need that shit. You need that shit, I'ma take your shit. Say some shit, I'ma put you on the front of that type of shit. I'ma kill with your shit, I'ma fuck with your shit. You ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing. That's some real shit, you ain't got not shit. You ain't got nothing. That's some real shit, you ain't got nothing. You ain't got not shit. That's some real shit. That's some real shit. That's some real shit right there. Shit. Rap guy, Kiki, I always motherfucking team my team.
That's what's up.
Music by Miss Kiki with Type of Shit. And Lalela, right about now, Cecilia straight into the Lala with DJ Boom Boom Mix. Silo ui lalele ama piano last week.
I did. I was like pouncing cats all the way.
Lalela, guys. The show has opened up genres. Lalela says Lala yonke into wena mpakanga, wena hip hop, wena house music, wena mapiano ndibalantonina. Kodwa ke njengamanje akasizwe ukuthi uDJ Shy Boy all the way from eWaterloo usiphatheleni namhlanje. Enjoy.
Did you guess?
and it takes up all your time. You dance and move to let it out every single night. You make your body fight for something beautiful. Hope and wish for something new, everything you want. And that is all you need, that is all you've got. You dance and move to feel it all, to feel the energy, to feel it set you free into something beautiful.
nje khona into engale banye basefone nabanye basestage yema walk DJ khona into engaqhele abanye basemoye nabanye ba-engage awumele DJ khona into engale banye bayakore nabanye basestage.
Scoop Session Boy.
That was the ultimate Dlalawe DJ Boom Boom mix, courtesy of DJ Shy Boy, all the way.
Of that,
huh?
What do you think of that?
What do you like? The mix?
Yeah.
It was dope. It's kind of a mix.
What was your favorite song?
Why are you asking me what it was? The Mapiano song.
I like that one too.
You like the Mapiano?
Yeah. I actually like Amapiano. I've got like
Amapiano
one or two
is
songs on my
nice.
phone.
Well, Amapiano, it's the in sound. What can we say? Okay, it is fine then. Anyway, we have come to yet another amazing show of the Boom Boom Room, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, Patalek Onke Ogumnandi, when I'm music, when I'm interviews, all the nice topics. Sapende futhi sakhuluma ngale link, of which you can ask for it if you want to know a little bit more. Go and send me an email. It's fabulousfunhouse@gmail.com, or you can speak to me directly on WhatsApp 0787291099, or also follow your girl at Lumkah Fabulous, Slender Lumkah Fabulas, and we have come to the end of the show.
Although we've gone to the end of the road, still I can't let go.
I hate it when you do that.
It's so natural.
Can you say Paka?
You belong to me.
Can we go, please?
I belong to Paka. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Solo con di mengo, imalaitike, solo con imengo, machita kuteni ndi crepe sako, di sweetie ingathi yipoetry kanko, di mixeni nam njengompaka, ayeke uginyamathe uqoqo, di phupha ngemali ndibalaka, dileli kulo matrasi ndiphulumko. Lo hane valela mnaka, why indim loni manumka, ta angikwazi nobambinga, ta mandizama niyandinga, ta kebandiya performa namka, niyanjayivisa nempolisi singa, niyandlalisa nensibisa uqaps, ningamakasi nidlalisa unjika, kuthele mali niyibambenqi, niyanbawisa nendinyisa ingwika, niyanhambisa nenyukisa iskinqa, niyanjimisa nenkhupha imikinqa. Inezkeleme sivela zithika, umoya uphuki soze athika, aniboni bandiyeza niziva isiginqa, kumuhaya kasebenzi, ngcono uzame mebla, although nigga busy kaspani mebla, bo na kyara ima mebla, ha, en kichweri gibla, da sheba no humeti mebla, ha, let's see be aginabra, amin agina marigi batela gishebilebra, ha, bonali tossa la cobra, wa ali boni bom repa libra, Sesotho kya se ravaza, Setswana kya se ravaza, ke ya se ravaza, ke bla bla bla, etc. Yeah. And kiss sky blue, hello, hi, ayaki sky blue. When na ustako hata kilegu, kumu haya kasebenzi, nono uzame Ufane wasfihla ndizokubhaka, ndizokuxoxela ndonqena ukaka, ndideketisa imali nzoyibhaka, ndikhula ngayo indenza iqhenqa, but ayindiyifuni ifuna ndileka, andisadinwanga ifuna ndileka, engeba ndiyayiyeka qha ndinephenqa, lo msebenzi liyelekenqa, zongena intsokolo ithi gelekeka, kuphela ifocus phela isigelekeka, kuphele isonga kuphela ujeka. Mnandi yabetha ndithi ndiyabuka, but ile industry nkulu ngoku ndiyagunqa, ababantu bazisala inyawo ziyarhuqa, kumuhaya kasebenzi, ngcono uzame January,
is your girl Lumkah Fabulous, the Slender Lumkah Fabulas, Ambo, you get the I am the Zulu bass queen, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.